People can actually tell when you're active on Instagram, especially in the DMs. So for instance, when you go into the DMs, you can see this user and this user are currently active, and that's because they have a green dot next to their profile image. And also when you go into DMs like this one, you can see this particular user is not online, but if you open, or even before you open, you can see this user is currently active. So if you want to hide your online status, or basically appear to be offline while you're actually using Instagram, here's what to do. Just go ahead and turn off your activity status. Launch Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you get to Messages and Story Replies. Tap on that. And then under that, you should see Show Activity Status. Tap on that. Turn this off. Okay, so it says allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram. So if you turn this off, it basically means other people will not see when you're currently active or when you're online on Instagram. Now, unfortunately, this also means you'll not be able to see when other people are active or online on Instagram. Okay, now unless it's a public page like this. But as you can see, this particular user that's online, we saw that green dot, but now it's gone. Okay, so that's basically how to appear to be offline when you're actually online on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.